Maracas are a hand percussion instrument. They are also known as rumba shakers. They are usually played in pairs. They are a popular instrument in Latin American music. It looks and sounds like a child's rattle. This is what they sound like. Maracas are easy to make at home. Because you can use household recyclables and dried food. Lots of other musical instruments can be made at home too. You could make a flute out of a glass or plastic bottle. A drum kit out of pots and pans. A tambourine out of a paper plate. Did you know music can also be recycled? We call it a remix. A remix is a song that has been changed slightly from its original state. These changes may be adding instruments, changing lyrics, or changing beats and rhythms. Let's listen to some original tracks and the remix version. Well done. Goodbye.